back! He's reloading! Move out! Take him! Onward! Have you seen him? American is here! That man is a spy! Move out! Alert, High Command!
I helped the Kreisau Circle on a mission.
Would you like to buy something? How about some supplies?
Alert High Command! Ready, out! Do not let the...
You must be Agent Blazkowicz. We've heard
I
about you.
cannot believe you would be so foolhardy, giving a strange American the Noxon crystal.
I understand your objection, but from what I've heard, he may be our only hope in fighting off the Nazis.
All right. You did as well as I'd expect for someone so young. So, you are Agent Blazkowicz. I am Dr. Leonid Alexandrov, the leader of the Golden Dawn. Time is short. Please listen carefully. We have come to Eisenstadt because the Nazis have unearthed the Noxon crystals. They tamper with powers they do not understand. You've refused to give us the full medallion. But I won't waste time arguing about that now. Since you're obviously a skilled fighter, I would ask your help.
A group of our brethren recently attempted a reconnaissance mission and were never heard from again. But an operative of ours just uncovered information as to what happened to them. Meet him at a tavern called the Raven's Nest. I've marked your map with the location.
You had best be off, Agent Blazkowicz. Oh, no one must know about our work. Not even your other allies. Loose lips, Agent Blazkowicz.
Caroline, we've been watching the Raven's Nest Tavern in order to...
such a Nazi soldier! Guten Tag! You'll endanger the mission.
A toast to Hans, the greatest Nazi soldier alive.
Ja, to Hans!
What can I get you? Come here! Agent Blazkowicz, we need you for an important mission. A few days ago, we sent 2 members of the Golden Dawn to look into some strange rumors about a nearby farm. This morning, one returned, severely wounded. He died before he could speak, but he held a crystal like the ones you carry, though it's of inferior quality. We're not soldiers. Would you be willing to go to the farm and see what happened to the other member of the Golden Dawn?